Gently touching it. Start the rosette. Find the center. We're setting the next layer. Making sure this is touching. So it'll spread out. Checking the back side. Look, we've got a gap. See the gap right there? We want it to touch. There we go. Make it touch. Okay, I'm finishing up. We got 4 on this side, and we're going to show you how to fill in the gaps, starting with the ones we did first so we can take the toothpicks out. But I wanted to show you on here that one thing I don't want to do is when I go to pull the toothpicks out, I'm adjusting them as you go like this to tilt the ruffle so that you don't see where the hole is, where the toothpick's going to come out, at least not straight on. So keep that in mind as you play with this and attempt this, and check on your sides to make sure that the gum paste is adhered. Right there, use a toothpick to make sure it's touching, since this is going to not be seen when we get all the ruffles on here and we fill in. I'm rotating them out because if I pull, it brings the fondant with it, so I'm twisting them out. Where we're going to start doing the in-betweens, and what we're going to do is just take and put a little bit of gum paste on here so that it'll stick to itself. Put a toothpick in here to lift it and set it under here. All right, pushing it up against. I'm just going to let it meander and stuff it in there, making sure it's touching on the base. As close as possible.
Can't see it.
Coming around. Okay, there we go. Pushing it, setting it. Bringing it over. Making it touch. Getting it down in there. Okay. Went to longer strips because I got used to working with them. So we're ruffling them out. These are my favorite ball tools. They're from NewYorkCake.com, NYCake.com. They're James Roselle's, and there's 4 different sizes of these ball tools, but we're using the biggest one. So whatever ball tool you've got, use the biggest one to do the ruffle. You're half on, half off. And push hard. Okay, let's get another one on here. A little gum glue on here so we can make it adhere. This gives us something to pick it up and set it. There he goes. So I'm using the toothpicks to put it where I want it. Hide that little piece there. We'll go through and fill in all the gaps like this. We're just going to meander it around. If you have some small scissors, you can reach in there to get that, but I don't. Okay, so we'll be back when we can get this all filled in. Show you what it looks like.